and welcome back to my channel. My name is MsTanMarie. So I decided to take you on my journey through meditation. With meditation, I've been meditating off and on for a few years now. Not till recently I started to dive into it deeply. Some people say, why you meditate? Meditation is a technique focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity. And it helps to achieve mental clarity, clear and emotional and a calm state beyond the mind, and experience our essential nature, which is described as peace. So I really started focusing more on my meditation journey when my father was diagnosed with cancer, and I had to do a lot of traveling backwards and forth from Memphis to New Orleans to see him before he passed. And this is one of the hardest things that I have to deal with, and now I'm still dealing with the same issue with depression, clarity and stuff like that. I have days where I'm fine. I have days where I'm very depressed. I have days where I just don't want to be bothered. I don't want to do anything. So when I get deep into my depression, or before I feel like it's setting on, I start to really go back and meditate. And the books that I'll be using and I'll be showing you, or I'll be getting some of my meditation techniques, is from the Meditation Bible. The Meditation Bible by Madonna Golden. And I also use A Joy in Every Moment. And this is by Tavia Garber. I rarely use The Joy in Every Moment, but I always gravitate to the Meditation Bible. Give me an insight on what I'm looking for and what I need to do to meditate for that particular issue. And in this book, it gives you different things, and it has sectioned off on different things, so which is a good deal for me. Different types of meditation, such as walking, exercising, even cleaning. Different techniques to use and how, and it's very, very informative. This is what I said I'll be using, along with some mantras. Mantras are asking the universe or asking God for what you need and praying. We will also talk about doing some affirmations, which are short, powerful, yet simple statements designed to manifest a specific goal. Positive thinking affirmations are designed to encourage a life full of positivity and gratitude. A daily morning affirmation can be something simple as I am healthy, or throughout the day, money comes to me easily. On my journey, I will introduce different types of herbs, different types of herb burners, different types of diffusers that you can use along your meditation journey that will help relax you and put you in a different state, different calm state. And one of these incenses are slowly becoming my fave, and that is the Palo Santo. Palo Santo sticks, in my case, is used for medicinal purposes. It helps me regain my clarity. It helps me, it brightens my energy. The smell of it just it's a different smell that awakens you. It helps with clarity, as I just said. It helps with my creativity when I do that. It promotes feelings of positivity and joy. The scent is also known to reduce stress and anxiety, so it's good for me. Different types of scent does different things, and as we go deeper into the meditation journey, I will give you some scents that may be helpful to you. So for me, the Palo Santo sticks, it smells like it's a woody aroma. It's a warm scent. Frankincense, like a sandalwood notes. Some say it's like an apple scent. It gives off like an apple scent. So if you haven't, you could pick that up and you could try it for yourself, but it's very relaxing. And what I wanted to say, some people ask you, how can you sit down and meditate? What exactly are you doing when you're meditating? Meditation gives you that 5 or 10 minutes peace time for yourself. It helps you. There are so many benefits that meditation that can change your life. Benefits of meditation that will change your life. It gives you a greater sense of self-awareness. Meditation allows us to take mentally inventory of our bodies as well as our mind. It reduces the stress and anxiety, increase mental clarity, as I said before, and it also helps us focus on what we're trying to do or what we're trying to get accomplished. It also helps with emotions, and it triggers the brain's to relaxation response. I hope you found this information helpful like I did. So join me on my journey and stay tuned to my next meditation video. Follow me on my social media platforms at MsTanMarie. And remember, self-love is the best love. Thank you for watching.